This is from the Book of Enoch, the Book of the Watchers, chapter 2.
Observe ye everything that takes place in the heaven, how they do not change their orbits, and the luminaries which are in the heaven, how they all rise and set in order, each in its season, and transgress not against their appointed order.
Okay, a luminary, that word is key. And I'm going to piggyback on this video. I'm going to try to help him, assist him. Maybe something that he didn't cover, shed some light into these dates that's coming up on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. He covers a lot. Speaks about the comet, where it's located. Since I'm into the comet E3, Comet Pan-STARRS, and Comet 96P, which are the recent ones that I covered. And I'm going to take a look and examine what are looking like and what they're providing. He has the Orion's belt, where the pyramids are lined up perfectly. So the key here, our focus is on Orion, and also the discovery of water in the constellation Orion in the Orion Nebula. Let me get into this and see if I could provide some or shed some light or help or insight. Comet 22E3 is located in the constellation Orion, which is referred to as the river constellation. Now, in Steve's video, in the Orion Nebula, which is located right here where the pointer's at, where they discover water, lots of water in space, ocean water. You have 2017 K2 Pan-STARRS in the same constellation, but it's moved towards the clock right here. Let's take a look at the 96P, which is still in the wing of the Eagle, Aquila, to this right here. So you have water, a large amount of water in the nebula right here, right next to the comet, right next to the river. What does this mean? The coming days, including the Eagle. I'm going to include the Eagle because that comet 96P pulled, it was a light show not too long ago. On the 21st of March, it's still in the river constellation. And also, let's take a look at the planet right here. We have the Sun by Pisces, Mercury near Pisces, Moon nearby, Jupiter, and Venus entering Aries. So basically, we have a lot of planets near Pisces or in Pisces. We got Saturn right by Aquarius, water. Now, if you've been looking at the weather, the significance, meaning of river, floods, river word it's been mentioned a lot in describing weather patterns. This discovery right here in the nebula, Orion Nebula of water, right next to the river constellation, is significant because this is the first time they've ever discovered water in a star system in space. Lots of water. On January 23rd, E3 was image was taken of E3, was reposted on March 15th, and here it shows it having the anti-tail again, which is connected to the sun. This 3D orbit on March 23rd shows where the comet's at. Here's the Earth, and here's the sun. So there's a connection on the western limb, lower portion, to the sun. Here we have an of the sun, so the connection will be, the anti-tail connection be in this area right here. This was 5 hours ago. And as you can see, there's activity on the left part, western lower. This is a video that Steve provided.
Astronomers studying the formation of a distant star have discovered a cloud of water in space. Water, which is both regular water as we know it from Earth, as well as heavy water. Water where one of the hydrogen atoms has been replaced by deuterium, could offer new insights into the origins. Astronomers have been able to measure the composition of water in a protoplanetary
nebula in the constellation Orion, right next to the river constellation. I'll provide a link to this video also. Referring back to the Book of Enoch, chapter 2, this word is described.
Luminary.
In the Webster, a source of light, heavenly body. In it, it has this for star watchers. We'll see one more bright luminary below Orion. That Orion is referenced. Little look at the constellation Orion. This is the Orion Nebula, where the source of the water is located. Just thought I'd give you a pan look at it. See the beauty of this constellation. Amazing.